Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to move or copy a table to another Airtable base. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's get started by navigating to your Airtable homepage. Once there, choose the workspace where the table you want to move or copy is located. This is essential, as selecting the right workspace ensures you are working with the correct set of tables. Next, click on the Table Name drop-down menu. This will open a list of options related to your selected table. From these options, you need to select Download CSV. Once you click on Download CSV, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action. Click OK to proceed. At this point, your table is downloaded onto your device as a CSV file. Now, go back to Airtable and navigate to the workspace or base where you want to import this table. You'll do this by clicking the plus sign located in the base. This step is crucial because it provides you with the options to either add a new table or import data. From the import options, click on CSV file. A new window will open displaying options concerning file selection. You'll need to click on Browse Files to locate and select the CSV file you just downloaded onto your device. Once you've selected your file, click on Upload One File. This initiates the upload process, where Airtable begins reading your CSV file, preparing to incorporate its data into your new or selected base. After the file is uploaded, you'll see an option to click on Next. Ensure you do this to confirm your selection and move closer to finalizing the import process. Finally, you'll be prompted to click on Import, where Airtable will complete the task of moving your table's data into the new base. And there you have it. So that is how you can move or copy a table to another Airtable base. So that's all for this video. Thanks.